Alright guys, we are gonna make us a oil burner out of my wood stove here. Pretty tired of chopping wood and splitting wood, and so I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I welded a piece of plate in the bottom of this rotor, so it's basically like a bowl. That'll be the bottom piece. I've got my pipe that'll go through the side. I've got copper for the drip. I'm just gonna run it over here and then put a 5-gallon bucket on build a shelf and put a 5-gallon bucket on it right there. And first things first is I'm cleaning out all my ash. We got a cool week, not cold, but where I don't need to burn it, so I'm gonna get this done this week. I'll keep you updated. Well, we're back building the oil burner. I have put a hole through the side where this pipe will go in. I made a plate to bolt to the side of the stove. This plate will be welded to the pipe. That's so that I can remove it later if I need to block off the hole to go back to wood. Yeah, so I've got the rotor in there. Trying to get all my measurements right. I've got to put a 90-degree on the pipe on the outside here. I'm gonna run it from the here 90, go down to the edge of the wall, and then 90, and then I'm gonna put the blower right on the edge of the wall there to keep it out of the way. I ordered this blower off of Amazon. I think it was 30 or 40 bucks. It's got a adjustable fan control. Seems to work pretty good. We've got the rotor in there that's all welded up. I've got my copper pipe. I'll be putting that back in, or putting that on in here in a minute. Yeah, so we'll keep you updated. Alright guys, we got it all hooked up. I welded the pipe there, coming through there. Put an elbow on it, comes up here, goes to the blower. I took an old piece of radiator hose and hose clamped the two pieces together and put my copper line through a hole in the rubber. Copper line comes over here, goes up. I got me a little sight glass with it dripping. Just built me a quick little shelf and put my 5-gallon bucket of oil on. We are burning. Let's see if I can get you in here. Burning pretty good. I imagine it's going to take a little while for it to get heated up. But all in all, we're going. Alright, a little quick update. We got the oil burner burning. I've been here for maybe like 45 minutes. It was 34 degrees outside this morning. That's what it is in the shop right now. 38, 39. I got the fire going. Ended up changing the bowl. I put a stainless bowl in there this morning and tried that just to see if I could get it to heat up quicker, and that really made a huge difference. It's burning really good now. In a half hour, I raised it. Went from 170 to just about 300 now. Just the surface temperature on the top of the stove. When I was burning wood the other week, as long as I kept the surface temperature in this area around 550, 600, the shop stayed warm. So I'm hoping I can get that up another couple hundred degrees, and we should be good because it's running good. Oil's burning good. Little fan off of Amazon that's working really good. So everything's working good. I'm kind of excited. Hopefully it keeps me from chopping wood. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. Alright, stove's been running for about 4 hours. And we've got just about 700 degrees there. It's only done the 700 in the last hour, but I think we are pushing 60 degrees now. Pretty close. A couple more degrees, we'll be almost 60. I'd say that's a win. We've raised it from 34 to almost 60, so I'd say that's a win. If you want to know any of my stuff there, just leave me a comment. If you could, please like and subscribe.